Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing another wig unboxing first impression video. Today we'll be unboxing the Outre Neesha unit. I got this in the jet black 1, and this is the Neesha 202. So if you guys haven't already, I will leave a link or put a card, something up here. I'll leave a link in the description box and put a card so that you guys can go check out my original review on the Outre Neesha unit. This is a completely different unit. The one that I got, I think it was in a color 2, and this is a jet black 1, but it's a completely different style. But Outre has released a whole line of these Neesha units and they look beautiful. So this is the Neesha Soft and Natural, and it is the Neesha 202, and I'll make sure I put everything down below. It's a jet black 1. This is a lace front wig, and it is made of heat resistant fibers that are heat safe up to 400 degrees. So if you want to, you can go back and put curls. You can, smooth down the roots or do whatever it is that you need to do and without it melting. The unit did come with pre-plucked Swiss lace, so you don't really have to do too much manipulation. If you want to go in and widen the part, you can. And then as always on the information card, it comes with additional colors that this unit comes in. When you open it up, it shows you other units from the Outre Neesha line. All right, so getting into cap construction, you guys can see that there are 2 combs. They are around the ear tab portion, but this one is directly surrounding the parting space, and this is a side part. And then at the bottom of the unit, there is an additional comb as well as adjustable straps. And you guys can see that this comb is relatively close to this last comb at the bottom, whereas this other comb is a little bit further up here. Whoa, super voluminous hair. Oh my goodness, where was this a few weeks ago when I took graduation pictures? Holy moly, this is beautiful. What? Excuse me? Excuse me. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Wow. All right, you guys, so you can see that I'm already impressed. It comes with that customary amount of lace. Don't mind my wig cap, it's peeking through. I didn't use a mirror, I just plopped this on, but wow, this is already so pretty. You guys, I'm so impressed. Like, I feel like a babe. Oh my goodness. Okay, so yeah, it comes with a customary amount of lace. I'm gonna go fix this up, do my magic, come back, let you guys know what I did, give you guys all my questions, comments, concerns, thoughts, and additional specs on the unit. So we'll be back. All right, so we're back. And now I'm getting like 1960s, 50s housewife vibes. I actually regret brushing out this bang because I liked the way that it swooped over, and I'm trying to curl it back, get it back to, revert back to its original shape, and it's kind of cooperating, not really. You guys know, if you guys have watched any of my wig reviews, I don't like when hair obstructs one of my eyes. I just feel like a cyclops. I'm like, what is going on? So I don't really like this style. There we go. Tucked a little bit of hair behind my ear, and now we're back in business. But I'm getting 1950s, 1960s housewife volume with this. I tried brushing it out, it doesn't lay down, so I think that the best thing for this, you could go over it with a hot comb. You just have to be careful, you don't want it to melt. So I would say take a blow dryer and get very close to that root and try and smooth it out. But it's okay, we'll keep it. Same thing on this side. I did take a brush and I, picked up sections and tried to brush through. So I would suggest leaving this the way that it comes out of the pack. And it is very rare that you buy a synthetic unit and you can just plop it on straight out of the pack and not have to do any styling. But I liked the curls that this originally came with, so I would suggest wearing it like that for as long as possible. There was nothing really wrong with it. You can finger detangle, finger separate out those curls so they're not as chunky. But right now I'm trying to get it to revert back to those original curls that came out of the package. I really like this. It has a very healthy luster to it. Again, it is a synthetic unit. In terms of length, it comes to right about the top of my bust, almost mid-bust length. So it's not bad. This is typically the length that I prefer. For the parting space, it is a side part and it goes to right back here, so not terribly far back. And it's not necessarily that I avoid units that have side parts. I just gravitate more towards middle parts because I feel like middle parts are more versatile, but it's the same kind of thing as a side part. I didn't use any of the adjustable straps or the combs. Right now it is fitting nice and snugly to my head. It's not cutting off any circulation. It doesn't feel like it's gonna slide back, so it's definitely big head friendly. In terms of shedding, I didn't really brush it that much, but when I did, I didn't get any shedding at all, which is nice. nice. Again, going back to styling effort, this is a unit that you can take right out of the package. You guys saw how it looked, with the exception of my wig cap being down too far and the lace still being on there. Outside of trimming off the lace, there's really not much styling effort you're gonna have to put into it. I do wish I didn't brush it out so that I could have retained some of those original curls, but I feel like this is one of those things where once I put it back in the package and then bring it back out, then once it has some time, then it'll revert back to its original shape. But it is a kinky straight textured unit, so definitely curly girl, natural hair friendly. If you are looking for something and you want to protect your natural tresses, but you do want to get that healthy, pressed out natural hair look, then this is an option for you. Again, the luster is very healthy, very shiny. Definitely like it. It's like what my hair looks like with one blow dry and one pass of the flat iron. It's just lots of volume, very shiny, very believable. It's not on the plastic end of the spectrum and it doesn't look dusty. It's just a nice, happy medium. For the parting space, I did go in with flesh tone powder. I used the Bombshell bronzer from the Ulta Contour Kit. And yeah, that is everything. I really, really love this unit. It's just so cute. I definitely do wish that I had ordered this unit because I had seen this unit. I meant to order it a long time ago to wear it with my graduation pictures, but this is really, really cute. Again, I'm getting retro 1950s, 1960s housewife vibes, but it's really cute. I like it a lot. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the, not the description box. I always do this. Leave them down in the comment section below and I'll get back to you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.